because we are going to sing a birthday song kay Tia again. And before siya mag-blow siya cake, right? Okay, ready?
Hindi rin ako makot kayo dito.
Uy, ready? Pause for a while. Okay, pause up for a while. Stop eating first. Let's sing the happy birthday to you. Ready? Go! Now, what I want you to do is you close your eyes and then just think of your wish. Okay? Unya na ka mo open when I tell you to do so. Okay? Di usa ka mag-blow sa imong cake. Okay? Ay mag-blow sa candle. Okay, close your eyes and you make your wish. Unya ra. Okay, just think of it. Just pray na
Ay, Mommy!
Mami! Wish I wish, Mami. Wish I wish, Mami. Kanina. Wish I wish, Mami. Sige na. Oh, wish na, ano, you know